Today, we're going to be talking about a very popular and effective diet known as the Keto Reset. If you're looking to lose weight and improve your overall health, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about the Keto Reset, including what it is, how it works, and how you can get started. So, let's jump right in. To start off, let's define what the Keto Reset is. The Keto Reset is a 21-day plan that is designed to help you lose weight and improve your overall health by adopting a low-carb, high-fat diet. The idea behind the diet is to put your body in a state of ketosis, which is a metabolic state where your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. So, what can you eat on the Keto Reset? Well, the main focus of the diet is to consume foods that are high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and very low in carbohydrates. This means you'll be eating lots of foods like avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish while avoiding foods like bread, pasta, and sugary drinks. One thing to keep in mind is that the Keto Reset is not just about what you eat, but also about how much you eat. Portion control is key, so make sure you're not overeating, even if the food is healthy. If you're interested in learning more about the Keto Reset and how it works, I highly recommend checking out the book, The Keto Reset Diet by Mark Sisson. It's a great resource that goes into detail about the science behind the diet and provides a step-by-step guide for getting started. Now, let's talk about the benefits of the Keto Reset. One of the main benefits is weight loss. By putting your body into a state of ketosis, you'll be burning fat for fuel, which can lead to significant weight loss over time. In addition, the Keto Reset can also help improve your energy levels, reduce inflammation, and lower your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. So, how can you get started with the Keto Reset? The first step is to do your research and educate yourself on the diet. Once you have a good understanding of how the diet works, you can start making changes to your diet and lifestyle. You may want to consider tracking your food intake using an app or journal and gradually reducing your carbohydrate intake over time. Another important aspect of the Keto Reset is exercise. While it's not necessary to exercise on the diet, it can certainly help speed up weight loss and improve overall health. So, make sure to incorporate some form of physical activity into your daily routine, whether it's going for a walk, lifting weights, or practicing yoga. Finally, it's important to be patient and consistent. The Keto Reset is not a quick fix, but a lifestyle change. It may take some time to see results, but if you stick with it, you'll eventually achieve sustainable weight loss and improved health. And that's it for today's video on the Keto Reset. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness.